In today's video, we'll show you how to type and use exponents on an iPhone. First, choose the digit you'd like to add, for example, the number 2. Google how to type a small 2 on an iPhone, find the small digit, and copy it to the clipboard. Next, open Settings, go to General, then Keyboard, and select Text Replacement. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Paste the small exponent number, then enter the shortcut you want to use, for example, a specific phrase. Save the text replacement. Now when you type the shortcut, it will be replaced with the exponent digit. You can do this for any digit, but you'll need to set each one up manually in text replacement. If you want to calculate exponents on an iPhone, enable Auto Rotate from the Control Center. Open the calculator and rotate the phone to horizontal mode to access the scientific calculator. From there, you can conveniently use the exponent function. That was it for this video. Thank you for watching, and bye.